Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports with Renato Brown.
Leaders Montego Bay United will look to stretch their lead atop the Jamaica Premier League table as they play cellar dwellers Spanish Town Police FC at the Royal Lakes Field in one of two games today. Montego Bay United, who are on a 4-game unbeaten run, are currently 3 points clear of second place Racing United FC, who will play on Thursday. Spanish Town Police have lost their last 3 games and are desperately in need of a win to kickstart their push for survival as they are 7 points adrift of 12th place. The match is set to kick off at 3 p.m. Meanwhile, at 4 p.m., champions Cavalier, who have been busy in the transfer market, will host Dunbeholden FC at Stadium East. Cavalier are currently in 5th spot on 23 points, but are only 3 points ahead of 9th place and 4 more than 10th place Dunbeholden. Dunbeholden have also been inconsistent with only 1 win in their last 5 games. In other games at 3, Newcastle United are at home against PSV Eindhoven. Juventus. Finally, Bangladesh's request to move their matches from India at next month's T20 World Cup have been rejected by the International Cricket Council. Bangladesh asked for their games to be switched from India, citing safety concerns amid growing tensions between the countries, and demanded to play them in Sri Lanka, which is co-hosting the tournament instead. India media reported that Bangladesh had been told to agree to play in India by Wednesday or risk being kicked out of the tournament. Bangladesh are due to play all 4 of their group stage matches in India, including on the opening day against West Indies and against England in Calcutta on February 14. All of Pakistan's matches will be played in Sri Lanka because of the tensions in India. Bangladesh captain Liton Das told reporters after a domestic match on Tuesday that it was still uncertain whether they will take part in the tournament. The T20 World Cup begins on February 7. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renato Brown.
Thank you, Renato. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.